How many teeth does an adult horse have? 40.
Great job.
Which farm animal has the best hearing? Horse. Which farm animal has a split upper lip? Goat.
Put your score in the comments.
What is the term for a castrated male pig? Barrow.
You got this.
How many hours a day do cows spend eating and chewing cud? 14 to 16 hours. What is the purpose of a turkey's snoot? Attracting mates. Which breed of sheep is known for having no horns? Suffolk.
Suggest a new quiz?
What is the average lifespan of a dairy cow? 4 to 6 years. How many eggs does a duck typically lay in one clutch? 8 to 12.
Please like and subscribe.
What is the term for a young female horse? Filly.